Today we're opening up the brand new Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3 Nordic Frost. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, where we do tons of free video tutorials along with online courses to help you master all your Husqvarna Viking machines, embroidery machines, the sewing side. And this particular day, as I open up this brand new machine, I am actually going to start the filming of our next Husqvarna Viking online course. These Dream Big panels that you've seen over the years have the ability now to have embroidery designs that we can stitch on each of these petals. And I'm actually in the middle of filming the Husqvarna Viking Embroidery Placement Masterclass, the Dream Big Panel Edition. Now, with the Viking Epic 3 Nordic Frost, I am going to get to explore the new embroidery unit and the scanning feature that allows me to then place the designs on these panels. So today we're going to talk about what comes with these machines, kind of do the open box video, because this afternoon I have a brand new Dream Big panel ready to embroider on this machine, and I can't wait to get started and play around with the newest features. No matter which Husqvarna Viking machine you actually own, if you have design positioning, you can find the link to this online course in the description below, along with links to our other online courses that will teach you all the different parts of your machine, from working with sewing accessories, sewing functions, working with the Wi-Fi connection and all the free stuff that comes with these machines. So no matter which machine you have, you can reach out at any time and ask which courses are right for you. You can email me at info@sewingmastery.com. So as we get started, the Epic 3 has been out for quite a while, and just like always, the next model is going to have more improvements, new functions, and everything is just one more notch better. It's kind of like buying the latest car. You might already own, say, the favorite version of your car, but then the next model comes out. So do you buy the next model? Do you wait a couple years? When do you jump in? So I always say, when you're ready to jump in, just go for it. Yes, there'll always be a model next that will come out in a couple years. So why wait? Where you could be using the functions or driving your favorite car in that time where, yes, there will always be the next model. So if you've been waiting or wanting maybe to upgrade your Husqvarna Viking, let's dive in and see what comes with the brand new Husqvarna Viking Epic 3 Nordic Frost. Let's do this. We're going to open up the machine first, but this giant box is actually the new embroidery module, which I think has a slightly different luggage feature in here that will open up second. So I'm going to move this box out of the way, get into the machine, and then see everything that comes with the new embroidery module. I do love the way the Husqvarna Viking packs their machines. For me, when I'm always opening and reboxing and such, they're probably one of the easiest ones. So let's just start with what comes in the top of the styrofoam. So you do have your cover that you can keep your machine covered while you're not using it. We have all the accessories, which honestly, if you've been a Husqvarna Viking owner for maybe the last couple of years, you probably will recognize most of these feet. So we see all the normal feet, including the straight stitch throat plate, which I'll be putting on because we're going to be embroidering next. I see the embroidery foot and honestly all the normal feet, but everything is the 9mm wide stitch width. So if you do have a Husqvarna Viking with the 7mm wide, the Epic 3s have the wider stitch width. We have our power cord and foot control with the retractable cord. I know that's always a nice treat if you've never had that before. And you know what else I see in here is a printed manual. So this has everything that you can look at, review, and go through. But with the machines these days, a lot of that information is on the machine. So with a touch of a button, just kind of like your iPad, you can just go search, type in what you're searching for, and the page of the manual will come right up on the screen. All right, this is the other part of the power cord, and that's it. Okay, we're ready to pull out this beautiful, brand new Epic 3 Nordic Frost. That's always a happy sound to see. And just a reminder, this machine has the integrated dual feed feature that can pull down, and it acts like a walking foot. So you have everything right at your fingertips without having to do any unscrewing or putting a walking foot on when you're ready to do some quilting or some precise sewing on layers that want to slip and slide. Now to dive into that brand new embroidery unit. So this embroidery unit case looks a lot different than anything that we've had in the past, and it actually can be opened from both sides. So what I'm going to do is open up the front part here and get into where the embroidery unit stores. I see that there is a new piece that protects everything for when you're not using it or when it's being transported, and information of how to take it off and put it back on. I see we just push against the embroidery hoop release area and it comes right apart, and it easily pushes right back in for when you're storing it or moving it to another location. Like our other Epic 3, it connects by just pushing this little lever, and out pops from the bottom of the sewing area the place where it actually attaches. Line it up, and we are ready to embroider. I can see now why there's two zippers on each side of this new embroidery luggage system. It's because on the other side we can access all the hoops and other items that come with this machine. We have the slide-on table. That will help really a lot when I do the bigger quilting project that I've got planned for this machine. And then look at all these hoops that come with the machine. Now this one is the 465 by 260. So that is an 18-inch by 10-inch plus size embroidery area. And these all have a brand new connection for how it attaches to the embroidery module. So if you're not already an Epic 3 owner, this will be something new. I can't wait to show you. The extra supportive wings to the table that goes on the embroidery unit, and an adapter for all the hoops that you might already have purchased with a previous Husqvarna Viking machine will fit this model with this extra piece. I give this new trolley system a 2 thumbs up. This truly is an epic sewing and embroidery system that you'll be able to do creative sewing, embroidery for many years to come. And anytime there's an update, it'll pop up, connect to your Wi-Fi, and update itself instantly, so you always have the latest version. The new embroidery unit for the Epic 3 Nordic Frost has been redesigned to reduce noise and vibration for a more relaxed sewing experience. Its enhanced stability will offer a smoother operation when embroidering on any type of fabric. If you're wondering how in the world you'll master all these amazing features, like this is a lot of machine, no worries. We already have videos on many of the features of the Epic 3. Plus, we've added a brand new option for our courses, the Husqvarna Viking All Access Bundle. That means that you get every Husqvarna Viking course that we have created to date, and you have access automatically to every future Husqvarna Viking course we come out with. If you're interested in having all the options and never have to buy a Husqvarna Viking course ever again from us, click on the link in the description below where you can find out the full list of courses and options for this amazing offer. It is the best deal that we have for our Husqvarna Viking owners. And if you own a machine like this, yes, there will be new courses coming out going forward in the future. And if you're an All Access member, you'll get them automatically at no extra charge. Do you want a little sneak peek? I want to show you the Dream Big panel I found to stitch on this brand new machine. I feel the colors of the Nordic Frost and this panel are absolutely perfect for introducing you to this brand new machine. I can't wait to get started. If you have any questions about our courses, or if you have a different Husqvarna Viking machine, please email me at info@sewingmastery.com and I can help you with any and all of your sewing and embroidery questions. I hope to see you in one of our classes soon.